What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Jay. So today we got the KM19 Neewer wireless microphone system right here, man. Now they were kind enough to send this out, man, so I really do appreciate it. And we're not gonna take long. Y'all know how I do. I like to get in and get out because I always got something going on. Anytime you see me make these videos, just know it's something going on the back end that I gotta get to right after this video. So before I even get started, I do got to say that I want to apologize first off because right here, right now, today is like the 27th of April. And on their actual website right here, let me turn this brightness down a little bit. Right here on their website, man, I feel pretty bad because I'm getting to this kind of late. But it's 22 bucks on their website right now. And they still got about 7 hours before the sale goes out. So on their website right now, I don't know if I'm gonna have this video posted, but I wanted to show y'all that they do go on sale from time to time. And it is just a simple little system, but it does go on sale from time to time. But on Amazon right now, so this is 22 on their site, but on Amazon, it's $45.99. I'm looking at it right here on my screen over there, all right? I may put some of this stuff up here on the screen like I do every now and then. It just depends on when I'm editing, if I decide to throw it up there or not. But again, this is the KM19. So I'm gonna give you a couple of quick things about this based off of what I see right here on Amazon, just to get through this pretty quick. So again, they got the KM19, it's 45 bucks right now. Just a couple of things here. Let's see what we can find. Obviously, it's a wireless microphone system for your Android, your iPhone, and your PC. At least that's what it says. Weighs about 6 grams, has loudspeaker mode, 3 levels of noise reduction, has a 24-hour long battery, and it does have app control, in which I hope this is the right app, which I'm pretty sure it is. I downloaded it right here. It's called Neewer Mic app right here. So this is what it looks like. I just got to connect the device once I open it up, but I kind of got it set. And then if you go into like here, it kind of turns into like this microphone type recording deal, because I can record from this app just straight off the iPhone microphone, but you can also connect the KM19 to this. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that in this video and go through the app and do all that stuff, man, because I'm pretty sure you guys just want to see what the quality sounds like so you can use it with your phone or your PC and stuff like that. So just know that there is an app, okay? A couple of other things: omnidirectional condenser microphone. What else we got here? It says it has a smart LED indicator, so it has a solid blue light for paired. When it's unpaired, it's like a slow flashing blue light. Then you got the flashing red for low battery. Solid is for red. It's for mute, I'm sorry. And then the green means you got a solid connection and so forth. Again, it says here 3 cancellation noise levels. And pretty much, man, after it talks about the app control over here on Amazon, it just kind of gives you a little bit about what comes inside the package. It does say that it can be used up to 30 hours with the charging case and a continuous 6 hours of runtime. Transmitter has a continuous 6 hours of runtime. So, I mean, you really can't beat that. That's pretty good. It's 30 hours with the case. Can't beat that. There's something else on this screen. Let me see what else we got. It says keep charging. So it says charge your phone or tablet from the USB-C port from the receiver. Okay, so the receiver, you can still run power through the receiver while it's plugged into your iPhone or your Android or your tablet or whatever the case, and you can charge that device. So that's gonna be kind of good, especially as long as you can still record using that as well, and it just doesn't turn into just a pass-through for power or whatever the case. However we wanna kind of word that, but that's gonna be a good look as well. But anyway, let's just dive into this box. And then I'll pair this with my phone. Now, you guys know how I feel about the iPhone recording and all of that stuff, man. But for this video right here, I still got to take care of the people that love to use their iPhones and things of that nature for recording these videos. So without further ado, let's just dive into this box, see what we got, and then we're going to go right into some testing. Give me a second. All right, so everything is out of the box. It's empty. What we're going to get right here is a user manual, like always, and if you need to use that, just refer to that if you need some help. And then right here, we just got another little warning or whatever the case, just some little random information. We don't really need that right now, but this is what it all comes with right here. Let's say we got a little pouch right here, and inside this pouch, come on, open up. Inside this little pouch right here, we have a what's this? Yep, gonna be a USB-C cable. Can't have enough of these joints right here, but just remember, if you got a USB-C cable, you'll be fine. But here goes a USB-C cable for you right there. What else? Something else in here. A couple of little things, feels like. Let me see. Make sure that's everything. Feels like something else is stuck in here. I'm gonna fold this thing inside out just to be certain, because it felt like something else was in here. Okay, it was. Okay, we did have something else stuck in there. Okay, so we got this little pouch that we already saw. Got some Neewer branding on it. Pretty cool. Right here, you got look like you have a microphone, like wind muff or something. Yep, 2 wind muffs. And then right here, you're gonna have the lightning. You're gonna have a USB-C adapter extender right here. So you got that, and then you got 2 more little wind muffs right there. Easy work right there. So this is what the case looks like. Easy, just a plastic little case. Got a little USB-C charging port right here on the back. On the front, got your little LED indicator that'll be right there in this little window. Neewer branding right there. Open this joint up. You got both your microphones and your receiver. All right, I'm sorry, I almost dropped that. So here's the receiver right here. As you can see, small, real small, fits like in the palm of your hand. Real small like that. Throw that down there. And then this is, I'll take out both of the mics for right now just so we can see them. Here goes both of the mics in all their glory. Got a little plastic on it, I gotta pull that off. But this is what they looking like right here. Small, pretty small. I mean, yeah, I feel like they're probably about the size of the mic minis or something like that, DJI mic minis or something. But they're small, and they already got wind muffs on it. I just noticed that. I already got some muffs on them. Down here we got the little contact points for charging down there. We got set right here on the side, on each side. That's probably how we're gonna connect it. Got some clips. Only thing I don't see on here is like the magnetic clips. Now that would have been cool if these was magnetic. That way you don't have to clip this to your shirt. But hey, it is what it is, right? For the price, you can't beat that. But again, 22 bucks right now on their site, but 45 if I remember correctly on Amazon. All right. So let's throw this joint back in here. Hopefully I'm see which way these go. There we go. Go that way. This one goes that way. And then the transmitter goes in that way right there. So that's what that case looks like in all its glory. Pretty small case, does fit in the palm of your hand. I think it'll be very easy to travel with this joint. I don't think you have any issues with that. It'll be something that you could take with you with your iPhone. You can even just throw this in your pocket. And if you're out vlogging, you're doing some nature walks or something, and you want to just use your phone to record, you can easily just take this out your pocket while you're on your little nature walk, plug this joint in, get some quick, crispy, quick little audio. But we still got to test it and see. But I'm assuming it's going to be some really good audio coming out of these right here. And then, yeah, you should be good to go from there. I want to plug this in so we can see what that little screen looks like. I got a little USB-C cable. Let's plug this in and see what happens on this little screen. Plug it in the back. And as you can see, it says 100% charged right there. So that's going to be an easy day. Plug it in, tell you what your battery percentage is right there, at least the case percentage, I'm assuming. But you got your percentage right there, so you know you're good to go. So if you start using these, throw them back in here, I'm pretty sure the case will charge you back up. But you got 100% right now. So let's go ahead, pair this to the iPhone, and then we're gonna go from there. I want to just kind of throw these two things out there so that you can be aware. Now, I know there's other microphones out there, wireless microphones and such, that sometimes they don't work with the native camera app, right? Well, in this case, I did try it with the iPhone camera, and it did work. With just a standard camera app, it did work. However, I still want to show you guys, I'm gonna try to figure out how to show you guys that in a second, but this is my Pro Movie app, the app that I always use for pretty much everything right here. This is the Pro Movie app. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna plug this in so you guys can see it kind of populate. You see all the lights are blue here. Everything is working. You can see it, audio input, Neewer MK19 right there, as you can see. So we know that this is gonna work. And you can see the levels moving up across the top. See what I'm saying? So we know that works with my favorite app, which is Pro Movie, okay? So we're gonna leave it plugged in right here. We're gonna exit out of Pro Movie and we're gonna come into the iPhone camera, and I'm gonna try to make this make sense, all right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to record myself standing here. I'm gonna record in the iPhone, and I'm gonna play it back to my wireless mic that's on my chest right now, okay? And then I'm gonna plug this in, and then I'm gonna say something with this microphone, and I'm gonna play it back on the iPhone in real time so y'all can just hear that it's working. Okay, I just for some reason I just gotta make that clear. Okay, so here we go. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Okay, so here we go on the iPhone. Listen up. Let's go to that. Check, mic check, mic check. Let's play it again. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Okay, so you can hear how that sounds like the standard camera app. You can kind of hear that it doesn't have a little bass, no bass or anything like that. So let's go back. Let's plug this in right here. The blue lights, everything is flashing. We are good to go. And I'm gonna press record and I'm gonna put this right here and I'm gonna talk to it. And we're gonna go from there. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Stop it just like that. Let's press this button here. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Now you can hear the difference. Mic check, mic check. That's with the mic. Check. This is without. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Okay, so there we have it. We know that. So the only test that I want to do real quick is just go ahead and throw this on my shirt, grab me a selfie stick or something, throw this on the iPhone, and we're gonna go outside real fast out here in the back, do a little vlog test so you guys can hear it. I may turn on the noise cancellation and stuff like that. We'll see. But I don't typically use noise cancellation on like wireless microphones and stuff because to me it just kind of sounds weird. But I may do it just for demonstrational purposes only. If I don't, it is what it is. But let's just go out here and listen to it and see what it sounds like. All right, y'all, so I'm out here on the iPhone 15 front-facing camera. Okay, front-facing camera. I'm not using the native camera app because the sun is out. I'm kind of like in the shade, and I wanted to make sure I could control some of the settings and stuff like that so that I don't have to have the front-facing camera getting blown out by like how bright it is out here and stuff like that. So I'm using my Pro Movie app, but just again, just know that it does work with the standard camera app. We already tried that. All right, so right now, this is the audio quality from the Neewer KM19. Let me know what you guys think of this audio. I won't really know what it sounds like until posted. I'll make sure I come back at the end of this video and just give you guys some of my thoughts and opinions on this wireless microphone system at the very end. I just kind of let you guys know what I think about it. But anyway, I wanted to test out that noise cancellation. At first I didn't want to, but I said, why not? It's a little breeze out here. Birds is chirping, stuff like that. And I just want you guys to kind of hear what it sounds like so that you can kind of make the determination if you would use it or not. There's a little bit of a breeze out here. So, and that is one level. It's green right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's green. So that's one level of noise cancellation. So mic check, one level of noise cancellation. We're gonna go to level 2. So I just got 2 green flashing lights and I can see it on the receiver right here. Transmitter receiver is green. So that's letting me know that I'm on level 2 right now still of the noise cancellation. Let me know what you guys think of what that sounds like. Let's move on to 3. I just got 3 flashing lights. So that lets me know that we are in the 3rd level of noise cancellation. I don't like to stay in these modes too long because if it doesn't sound right, it can kind of mess the video up. So we'll see what that sounds like on the back end. Let's turn it off. So, okay, there we go. So it should be off right now. I do have a blue light right here on my receiver right here. So that lets me know that the noise cancellation is turned off. So first off, there's one other thing that I don't really want to complain about, but it's just kind of like a pet peeve of mine now because I've been using other wireless microphone systems that has the magnet. As you can see, this one doesn't have the magnet on it, so I would have to clip it up here, and I don't really like it up there. I kind of like it more down here and with the magnet, but this is just a clip, so that will be like really one of my only cons of this system from a hardware standpoint. It's small enough, the case is big enough, it's small enough, big enough, whatever you want to call it. It charges, it does all the standard stuff. It works with, you know, your phones and all that stuff. So the hardware portion is great. But this piece of hardware where you kind of gotta, I feel like I had to fold my shirt up and put it down here, which is fine, I guess, right? Because I don't like it, you know, up here. Like if I got like the way this shirt is set up is really kind of like high up on the neck area. So if I was to clip this up here, it'd be literally right up under my chin. You know what I'm saying? And if I got a beard or something, you know, like a longer beard or whatever the case, man, you already know where I'm going with that. But anyway, that's just besides the point. this video has already been a little bit too long, so I'm gonna get ready to go in here, see what this sounds like, and then kind of give you guys my final thoughts. But let me know what you guys think so far of this Neewer KM19. Does the audio quality sound good? Did the noise cancellation sound good to you? Would this be something that you would be interested in? Again, there's a lot of microphone systems out there for different prices with different features and stuff like that. So, you know, just choose wisely, but here's another option for you. Let's take it back inside. I just used it and it is charging now once I put it back in the case, as you can see right there. So just some quick final thoughts, man. I think it's a really cool little system. I like all of the little pieces that it comes with. I like the case. I like the size of each one of these microphones or whatever the case. The whole little setup is good to go. And I think for the price right now, if you can still catch this for 22 bucks on their website, I feel like it's something that anybody that's using a iPhone or like an Android device or whatever the case, I think this would be a good look for somebody that uses their phone primarily to record content. The only thing I really don't care for is the fact that I wish these were magnetic and can just magnetically clip to your shirt and stuff like that. I think that would be kind of cool if that was on here, but for the price I can understand that, but I still wish it was on here. I know you can modify it, do whatever you want to do and try to make it a magnetic. I know you can do all that. You know what I'm saying? That's beside the point, right? And the only other thing that I can kind of say that I'm not a huge fan of is like the noise cancellation. But that's been across the board for me for a lot of noise cancellation microphones in general when it comes to the wireless systems. I'm not just a huge fan of it. Sometimes it makes you sound like robotic or it starts to cut in and out. And I'm just not a fan of it. I don't use it, don't see the need for it. So I just want to throw that out there. You know, if you want to use the noise cancellation, hey, it is what it is. It can come in handy if like the situation is right and like everything is lining up. I feel like it can come in handy, right? But it's just something that I stay away from. Obviously, you guys know I don't typically use my phones for recording things like content and stuff like that anymore. But I think that this will be good for somebody. I will say this though, there are a lot of wireless microphone systems that's currently out right now. So this is just another option for you. You don't have to pick this option. You don't have to buy this option. You don't have to do any of the above, right? Because there's so many options out there for you to take a look at. But I will say, hey, this video is for anybody that's looking for a wireless microphone system and want to know what their options are out there right now. This is an option for you. So anyway, hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys in some way. And if you did find it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy Jay, and I'm going to get up out of here. Peace.